Okay, a common problem I see in this neighborhood is these little big piles of dirt that are in my clients' lawns. Just nothing going on, not fire ants or anything, just a mound of dirt. About every 6-8 feet apart, mounds of dirt. No fire ants, just dirt. Pretty good sized mounds too. And you may say to yourself, what the heck is going on in this yard? Is the customer like top dressing his yard? No, it's not that. No top dressing here. Plus this isn't how you top dress. Another pile there. But if you follow it, it goes all the way up to here, where you'll see a nice little hole right there. And what that is right there is a pocket gopher. Pocket gophers are pretty well hidden little guys, and there's really nothing you can do as a homeowner to control these guys. Their tunnels are very, very deep in the ground, and what you're seeing here when they're digging fresh tunnels is they have to have a kind of like a spout. The top of their tunnels, they have what they call the exit holes, where they have to put all the dirt that they're digging, right? I mean, if you're digging a tunnel, you got to be able to put the dirt somewhere, right? So the way pocket gophers do is they throw up these exit holes where they eject all the soil when they dig tunnels. And you say, well, why are they digging all these tunnels? Well, they're digging tunnels because they want to mate. And that's the objective, is to create a nice little tunnel, a nice little chamber where a female pocket gopher will come and they'll mate up. And then the life cycle continues, right? So there you go. What's going on with this yard? It's got pocket gophers. Very, very common in this neighborhood. And the only way you can get rid of these is to call a wildlife removal service. It's not very pleasant how they get rid of them. But yeah, they'll explain to you what they need to do to get rid of them out of your yard. So there you go.